Ladies and gentlemen, today we present AI Travel Planner, a one-stop solution that takes the hassle out of travel planning, making every trip seamless, personalized, and stress-free. We will separate 6 parts to introduce our product, AItinerary. So nowadays, planning a trip comes with several challenges. One major issue is the lack of a unified travel platform. Travelers often juggle multiple apps, switching them to compare flights, accommodations, and activities. This leads to information overload, making the process overwhelming. And trip planning is also incredibly time consuming. On average, travelers spend over 5 hours just researching, comparing options, and making decisions. By the time they finalize plans, they are already mentally drained, even before the trip begins. And frequent changes and frustrating revisions add another layer of stress, whether it's adjusting bookings, rescheduling activities, or optimizing itineraries. Making modifications across different platforms is tedious and inefficient. Given these challenges, the question arises, how can we simplify and enhance the travel planning experience?
AI-powered travel planning is a solution to address existing challenges in the travel industry. With 85% of Southeast Asia travelers rely on travel apps, the demand for platform integration is greater than ever. A unified AI-powered system can streamline travel experiences, reducing complexity and saving time. At the same time, travelers expect instant hyper-contextual solutions that offer real-time updates and personalized recommendations. This shift is pushing the market towards AI-driven platforms that adapt to user needs instantly. Beyond demand, the market growth potential is significant. Singapore's travel and tourism sector contributed SGD 12.7 billion to its GDP in 2023, with an expected annual growth rate of 3.6% over the next decade. This steady expansion, driven by advancements in airport infrastructure and digital adoption, underscores ample opportunity for AI-driven travel planning. Government investments and favorable tourism policies are further fueling industry expansion. Additionally, Singapore ranks as the world's second most digitally ready destination, reinforcing its strong digital infrastructure and global competitiveness in the tourism sector. All these factors highlighting the immense potential and positive outlook for AI-powered travel planning.
With a massive market, ready-to-use technology, and favorable policies, our product, AItinerary, provides a fully customized travel plan based on user input with generative AI. Here is our product feature. Travelers simply enter their basic details. In response, AItinerary generates a detailed itinerary tailored to their preferences based on OTA's database and AI recommendation. Unlike conventional travel planning tools, our solution breaks down the itinerary into morning, afternoon, and evening activities. Beyond activity recommendations, we integrate essential travel services, including hotel selection, flight booking, restaurant recommendations, and transportation guidance. Hotel, attraction, and food details are organized into dedicated sectors within the interface. Simply click on the tab you are interested in, and you will be taken to the corresponding page. There, you will find more detailed descriptions and a wider range of options, allowing you to adjust your itinerary easily. One of the AItinerary's standout features is its interactive itinerary refinement. If users are unsatisfied with the initial plan, they can engage in a continuous dialogue with AItinerary, requesting modifications. The system adapts and optimizes the itinerary in real time based on user feedback, making adjustments more effortless than coordinating with travel agencies or manually researching alternatives. Looking ahead, AItinerary will integrate map APIs, visually displaying distances and routes between hotels and attractions. Additionally, we plan to partner with major hotel booking platforms and airlines, enabling users to seamlessly book flights, accommodations, and plan routes directly within our system. We aim to extend our service offerings to include luggage organization tips and pre-travel reminders, making AItinerary an all-in-one intelligent travel companion.
Let's take a look at how AItinerary works. First, users input their basic trip information. Then, click on Confirm Info and wait for AItinerary to generate an original version of the itinerary based on our predefined prompt. Users can further improve the itinerary based on their preferences by interacting with AItinerary through checkbox. When users ask about recommendation for hotels or flight, whose relevant data is stored in our database without being allowed to be extra generated by AI, the answers provided will be strictly confined to the database retrieval result. Once satisfied with the current itinerary, users can click on Save Plan. Then the latest version of the itinerary will be displayed on the panel, sent to the backend, and stored in the database. If users do not want to proceed with any further actions for now, the basic trip info, chat history, and the most recently confirmed itinerary will remain displayed on the page. But if users want to plan a new trip, they can simply click on Generate New Plan and restart the planning process. Our system consists of a front end and a back end that work together through APIs to provide an interactive and personalized travel planning experience. The front end allows users to enter travel details, interact with an AI-generated itinerary, and refine their plans through a checkbox. Once satisfied, they can confirm and save their itineraries. The backend dynamically processes user inputs and generates an optimized travel itinerary. This itinerary is built on two key components. The first is internal data extraction, where we pull structured information from our database, which is sourced from partner travel platforms. This includes hotel listings, flight details, and other essential travel data. By seamlessly integrating this information, we enhance user engagement with OTA services, increasing booking frequency while empowering merchants with greater visibility and conversion opportunities. To achieve this, we have built our own database that simulates an OTA's internal data system. The second component involves real-time enhancement. AItinerary does not rely solely on static database information. Instead, integrating DeepSeek web lane chain, it refines and enriches the itinerary by leveraging the powerful AI generation and web retrieval capabilities of DeepSeek. For elements such as attraction update, route optimization, and travel insight, our system first extracts relevant details from the database and then enhances them using the latest online information. This approach significantly improves user experience by ensuring up-to-date and personalized recommendation. By combining structured data with real-time intelligence, AItinerary creates a more adaptive and intelligent travel planning experience, delivering value to both users and travel service providers. Lastly, when receiving the confirmation instruction from the front end, the latest versions of the itineraries will be stored in a database for future reference. This seamless system ensures a smooth, efficient, and stress-free planning process.
Thanks, Liang. I will take over to talk about our business model. With our system in place, the next question is how we turn it into a sustainable business. Our monetization strategy includes integrating our AI itinerary model into online travel agents, generating revenue through licensing and API fees. At the same time, we establish partnerships with airlines, hotels, and attractions, earning commissions from AI-driven bookings. Additionally, we offer premium features like real-time itinerary updates and packing assistance through subscription plan and pay-per-use options. Beyond revenue, we create value by simplifying travel planning for customers, providing a seamless, personalized experience with tailored recommendations. For business, our solution increases booking conversions, reduces operational costs, and enhances customer engagement. Ultimately, our platform contributes to the broader ecosystem by driving smart tourism innovation, opening new revenue streams for travel service providers, and expanding into corporate and luxurious travel.
Let's move on to part 5, competitive landscape. The comparison matrix highlights Itinerary as the most advanced and efficient travel planning solution compared with the other 3 travel planning options: OTA, traditional travel agencies, and travel bloggers or influencers. With AI-driven recommendations, real-time adjustments, and platform integration, Itinerary offers highly personalized experiences while significantly reducing planning time to just 5 minutes. Moreover, it operates on a low-cost freemium model, making it more accessible compared to expensive service fees from agencies. By combining efficiency, affordability, and personalization, Itinerary redefines travel planning, making it faster, smarter, and stress-free. To maximize its impact and reach, we have developed a strategic growth plan that outlines Itinerary's expansion from launch to becoming a fully AI-powered smart travel ecosystem. Starting with the 2025 Q3 launch of its Coin Singapore MVP, which aims to provide a personalized travel planning experience. By 2026 Q1, the platform will integrate AI capabilities with major OTAs like Booking.com, enhancing itinerary building functions. In 2026 Q4, the additional functions will be implemented, transforming the platform into a fully AI-powered smart travel ecosystem, offering real-time adjustment and personalized recommendation for users. Finally, by 2027, expansion will continue with the ASEAN expansion pack, extending Itinerary's reach to other Southeast Asian destinations. This roadmap ensures steady growth, strategic market entry, and a revolutionary travel experience for users. In the future, we aim to make Singapore the world's first AI-optimized destination, leveraging advanced AI technologies to revolutionize travel planning and create a seamless, intelligent travel experience for everyone. Thank you for your time and attention. That concludes our presentation.